Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Cadillac certified 2017 Cadillac CTS Luxury Collection all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9481X. Only 18,000 miles in this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this CTS brand new, radiant silver in color. To be Cadillac certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, keeping you the balance of a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. CTS is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This luxury collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with customizable dash. The CTS also has forward collision alert, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, which is leather wrapped and heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, paddle shifters when the automatic transmission is put into manual mode, very large touchscreen Q infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. Navigation, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Heated as well as cooled front seats, keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. That automatic transmission, storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof and sunshade control. Under the hood, this CTS has a 3.6 liter V6, 335 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a large all-wheel drive sedan. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon and the city average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Cadillac certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.